If you're interested on getting a better night's sleep, then I'm going to share with you 4 little known facts that might transform your sleep, your health, and your life. Hi, I'm Doron Lazarus, integrative sleep coach and founder of the Sleep Coach Academy. And after working with hundreds of cases around the world, I've come to understand that sleep issues can be unique and subtle, and taking a look at the whole person, body, mind, soul, and breathing is important if you want to transform your sleep from the ground up. I would like to discuss today some little known details about sleep and digestion, and I think it's going to really open your eyes to the bigger picture of how sleep really works. Many people have heard the advice of never go to bed hungry, and we're going to unravel that myth and see what really lies below your digestion. Point number 1, which many people don't realize, is there is a strong connection between our gut and our brain. The chemicals in our brain are called neurotransmitters and are vital for brain activity, mood, concentration, and sleep at night. The problem is that when our gut is in a state of dysbiosis, those chemicals are created here, not here. They go from the gut up to the brain. And when we're lacking key neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are key for our mood and our sleep, we have to ask the question, not why isn't the brain making those chemicals, but why isn't the gut making them? When the gut is in a state of imbalance and dysbiosis, that can affect the brain and sleep. While psychiatric medication can help increase the levels of dopamine and serotonin in the brain, that's not the root cause and is only putting a band-aid on the issue. The second little known detail about digestion and sleep is about your blood sugar and your metabolism. For people who have a steady blood sugar throughout the day, they tend to sleep well at night. But for people to have crashes or spikes in their blood sugar, that could majorly throw off their sleep. For example, if you're having a crash in your blood sugar at, let's say, 2 in the morning, that is going to wake you up, make you feel irritable and agitated. It's going to raise your cortisol levels, and it's going to prevent you from going back to sleep. You might experience anxiety, but the root of it is not mental. The root of it is actually your body's blood sugar dysregulation and you feeling the very physical and visceral effects of that. And based upon your body's sleep and wake cycle, your circadian rhythm, this can happen every night. And if you don't look at the blood sugar factor amongst everything, you're gonna miss out a vital piece of your overall health. And that leads me to my next point, which is the relationship between sleep, weight loss, and cravings. And it can become a vicious cycle. For people who don't sleep well at night, their metabolism gets thrown off, they gain weight, they're not able to lose weight. The more overweight they are, the worse they sleep. It contributes to apnea, and the cycle has a vicious effect. Many times when people are sleep deprived during the day, they lack the focus and the concentration and energy they need to make healthy decisions. They tend to be more impulsive and go for the fast food, sugar, and caffeine fix, which is again then throwing off their metabolism and back to a poor night's sleep. So to be able to deal with both the sleep and the metabolism as one organic being, understanding how each one fits into the other, and to say you can't lose weight without a good night's sleep and vice versa. It's about taking a look at the whole picture. The fourth detail I wanted to share with you is the idea about resting, not digesting. I've heard the advice from other well-meaning sleep doctors, have a snack right before bed, don't go to bed hungry. But I believe that's a myth. If your metabolism is at the point that you constantly need to eat every few hours, otherwise you feel weak and giddy and your blood sugars crash, I can tell you that that is a problem. Your insulin is going up and down in this roller coaster throughout the day, and your metabolism is shot and is going to take an effect on your sleep. By trying to put a band-aid on that and having a snack right before bed to somehow maintain your blood sugars throughout the night, you're actually just perpetuating the problem and not making it any better. Your body has a lot of important functions to do while you're sleeping. It doesn't need to be digesting that burrito you put into it 1 hour before bed. Your body is repairing itself, it's strengthening its immunity, concentration, it's storing your memories, it's allowing your red blood cells and every other system in your body is being repaired while you sleep. And therefore, having the extra labor of now digestion on top of that is actually hurting your body's ability to sleep its deepest. I think it's vital that anyone who's interested in improving their sleep looks at digestive and metabolic health as the root cause, not the symptom, to be able to cure their sleep issues for life. What do you think? Have you changed changed your diet and metabolism and found that your sleep's improved, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. And if you're interested in setting up a free sleep consultation where we can brainstorm together on the different factors that might be throwing off your sleep on a nightly basis, I will leave my calendar link below that we can be in touch and I can help you have focus and clarity on your next sleep stats moving forward. This has been Doron Lazarus, Integrative Sleep Coach with the Sleep Coach Academy, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.